Assalamu alaikum pre-9 class. Hope you're all fine students. Subject computer science unit number 1 problem solving. Students, in the previous lecture we have completed the algorithm examples. Now today we are going to start a new topic, that is 1.3.5, and it's on page number 21. Efficiency of algorithms. There can be more than one algorithms to solve the same problem. Which one is better depends upon the efficiency of the available solution algorithms. Efficiency of an algorithm is measured on the basis of two metrics. Students, in computer science, algorithmic efficiency is a property of an algorithm which relates to the number of computational resources used by the algorithm. And efficiency must be analyzed to determine its resource usage, and the efficiency of an algorithm can be measured based on the usage of different resources. Now students, we have two metrics to describe the efficiency of an algorithm. Number one is number of steps. An algorithm is considered more efficient if it takes less number of steps to reach the results. An algorithm is considered more well organized or resourceful if it is take less number of steps to give the output. Number 2, space used in computer memory. We have observed in algorithms that some data is stored in computer memory which is later used to give results. An algorithm using less space in computer memory is considered more efficient with respect to memory space. Students, we have noticed or observed in algorithms that some data is stored in computer memory which is later used to give output, and algorithm using less space in computer memory is considered to be a more effective with respect to memory space. It is quite possible that one algorithm takes less space in memory and has more number of steps, whereas the other algorithms takes more memory and has less number of steps. In this case, there is a trade-off between number of steps and the consumed memory. The designer can take decisions according to the requirements. Students, it is relatively possible that one algorithm takes less space and has more number of steps, whereas the other algorithms take more memory and has less number of steps. So there is a vice versa condition between number of steps and the used up memory. The designer or programmer can take decision according to the requirements. So students, today we have studied about the efficiency of an algorithm. We will continue its example in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.